Wow. Lami. Oh my God, si Kuya, mulupad! Pagadian City, naglakaw-lakaw.
Pagadiano na din ka.
Pagadiano na, bagong recruit. This is the plaza.
Oh. The plaza gabi.
Oh, yeah. Nakapalit juga. Ano ba kita may?
Case 160.
Newly open chicken deli. Next time, Boncho na sa mag-open din.
Next is Starbucks.
Shout out. Ayaw, clear! Ayaw, clear. Suwi lang, clear.
Ayaw, mag-iwan. Gago.
Basta? Ano naman? We are here sa Boulevard. Wow.
Tok mo doon, ikaw, Claire.
Ikaw sa una.
Ikaw na. Ay, sabi ako picture.
Victoria, direct lang.
Another lens.
So, every night time daw, may mga food stalls here. Muna siya, wala pa yung food stalls current. Joke, di ba ako sure? Joker. Okay, Joker. Dito, Marag Supermercado ba? We are looking for the Tatak Pagadian, but we can't find it.
2,000 years later.
Tatak Pagadian nun.
Ato rin, paligid.
Rip. Jet ski ng Pagadian.
Kami rin ay yan.
Spicy? Oh. Spicy lang. Lami.
Lami, kuya, lami.
Me.
Kasi tayo kain-kain, wala ito.
5,000. Ano ito? 2 piso. What's that? Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Hi guys, we are here inside the cathedral because we are going to attend the mass for 8 p.m. So yeah, that's why after this we are going to church. First time going to church. Mungto ganin.
8:01 p.m.
Hey guys, we're done attending the mass and we're going to the oval. So dark in here, we're just gonna walk. Pila ko layo pa. Ang saya, no? Oh, by the way, this is my cousin, si Claire.
No, cousin.
Claire the first, Claire the second. They're both Claires. I'm the only one and only.
Mama Claire.
Meanwhile,
We are here finally and hopefully dili na makancel among paganhi, makasakay na dyan may rides. Let's go. Look how safe it is. go. Hala, si Kuya! Charot. Oh my God, si Kuya, mulupat! Wala siya harness, guys. Such a strong boy. Si Kuya, nagtindogra. Hala! Balance gravity on Earth in the particles and molecules. Look how safe it is. Oh my God. Dapat mamugong biya nga buwang. Sorry.
Was deadly. Was deadly. Deadly experience, guys.
Next ride, Frisbee. First time. Hi, Kuya, hi. Day, gabi kitong bike.
Murag ko ano isa, pahangin lang, papahangin.
Oh, pangin. Pero here you go.
Kawala lang yung bagon.
God! It's about to start! Wait na! Ay, yakte! What's that? Wak mo na ready! Claire! Claire! Kita! Oh, bawa pa lang mo sa makita. Shit! Kakutsog yakte! Mama! Wala sa harness ka! Uy!
12 seconds later.
They want ako yung energy, promise!
kaya ginawa.
Huwag ko na ready. Mulupad yun siya, wala siya ga-joke.
Eventually.
Ng aftermath. Uy ka! Mega swing. Dali. Dali ko. Dali ko, kapag 35. Oh my gosh, this is the safest mega swing I've ever tried. Away lang for this. With it. Claire, let's go! To me, wala ko'y tingog. Oh my god. Alright. Nagpakilit ko dahil. Oh my god! Woo! Yay! Not scary at all. Joke, 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 joke. Oh my god, nagkukusog. Oh my god, yes, makalipo siya in fairness to all nations, world. Dahil ako back sa stress. Charot. Is it scary? No. No. Horror booth, but no plans trying that because it's not that scary. Yes. Claire Octopus.
It could be weird, but I think I'm into it. You know I'm one for the overly passionate. I like you and I loved him. We could all be the best kind of friends.